Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to our channel about queue theory as an operational research big task. We are Maulidan, Jauharah, and Dwita from Industrial Engineering 39 International class. We are here to present our study case about queue system in Griya Yogya department store in Bojongsoang. Okay, hello everybody. Let's start with the first slide. That is our introduction. Again, I want to tell you that this paper contains the analysis of queuing systems for the performance of the supermarket service. We are using single channel, single phase, that means only one queue and one facility that we want to use for this research and take the 30 samples of people of each. We observe two types conditions which are in the weekdays and weekend. The supermarket has many servers. They're increasing the numbers of servers to make the customers will not have to wait longer when the servers are busy. So this is a problem statement. How long the average line queue of the customer when the server was working on the weekday and weekend? How the average number of people would be in queue while the server was working on the weekday and weekend? How is the rate of queuing affect the cost of this company? In this term, we observe a supermarket system, and which condition would be the best solution for getting the higher income? And the last one is what kind of improvement that can be applied in order to get the optimum solution for the supermarket? There are there are two there are three objectives of study. First is study behavior, second is measurement, and third is observe. And here's several software we used. These are two software that we use for supporting our calculation. In this case, there are SPSS is a leading statistical software used to solve a wide variety of business and research problems, and WinKSB. The KSB, or Quantitative System for Business, is developed and maintained by Yin Long Chang. The software package contains the most widely used problem-solving algorithms in operations, research, and management science. And here's the data. We got the data from weekdays and weekend. There are 30 for each data. And for weekdays, we got lambda is 17.20 and for mu is 29.71. And for weekend, we got lambda 15.31 and mu for 18.14. And this is the weekday result we got from SPSS software. We got the significant to tell is 0.136 for interval time and 0.124 for surface time. So the conclusion is, by using software IBM SPSS statistic, we can conclude that the data is distributed exponentially because the significance level is more than 0.05, which is mean that statement is except H0. And for weekend result is 0.571 and 0.034, with the conclusion that we can conclude that the data in weekend is distributed exponentially because the significance level is more than 0.05 or 0.571. That means the statement is except H0. And this is the result from WinKSB software. You can see that the performance measurement and the result of the weekday. And for the weekend, the result from WinKSB is like that. The performance measure and the result. You can see the L key, LB, W and W key, and also the PO and PB. And so on, the total cost of the customers waiting per hour and total cost of the customer being served per hour, and also the total system cost per hour. And the result to compare the data is for L in weekdays and weekends, there are so many significance different from weekdays and weekend in every part of the problem statement. For the total system cost per hour in weekdays is less than in the weekend because there are little bit of a customer come to the supermarket in weekdays more than a weekend. So the total system cost per hour is less for weekdays is less than weekend. According to the final result calculation by using IBM SPS as statistic and WinQSB, we can conclude that the total system cost per hour on a weekday is less than the total system cost per hour on a weekend. Because on a weekend there will be one customer in queue, but if we see the number of customer in a queue on a weekend is about 5 customer. In a queue on a weekend is about 5 customer. Just to sum up this observation, we can say that the more number of customer in a line or a system of waiting in queue, the more system cost per hour. Obviously, the supermarket can get lost. So, our suggestion to deliver the analysis is, this paper is consists of several data that will be used for calculating the total cost system per hour by comparing between weekdays and weekend condition. Because we only observe one system or M1, we can't even give the optimum solution for Griya Yogya Bojongsoang because of the limitation of the observation time. So our suggestion for the next observer is better if the scope of the problem should be wider than the own system. Hence, the data can be applied for determining which system condition that really exactly being the optimum condition in order to get a profit or at least not get lost. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.